Hi, I'm Shay, and this will be my first room tour. So we're staying in the room 219, this one. And we're staying in Novotel Hotel and Resorts Bogor. So this is like the door. And I'm gonna insert the price here. Kalau weekend. Or here, I don't know, somewhere there. Okay. Dan tipe kamarnya juga tipe kamar apa? Okay. Jadi bathroomnya ya. I really love the bathroom because it just screams aesthetic to me. So this is the bathroom. You got your regular, what is this? Mat, I don't know. Ini apa sih? What is this called? You got your regular kaki, lap kaki. I have no idea what that is. I forgot. And then you got this big mirror, so you can do your makeup, get like see yourself in the morning and things like that. And you got your big what is this sink? What I don't like about it is muncrat, like it's just uncontrollable. That's like one thing I don't like. And then this is like their regular typical Novotel, kayak semua sama ya. Ini, what I like about this is that it is made with fair trade cane sugar, so it's not plastic, I think. What I like about Accor Group too, they're like partnering with this Planet 21 acting here, and then this is EU Eco Label, and yeah, so all of this is not plastic. And then there's your regular hair dryer. You got 2 towels there and this one, and then this is the shower. Love that there's 2 type of shower head, and then there's like your regular type of shower, and then you put your soap or your shampoo there. And then fun fact on 219 room, this room, dulu tuh aku juga waktu engagement di sini roomnya, jadi it brings memories gitu loh. And this used to lights up. I don't know why it doesn't anymore. Mungkin ada yang ngerusakin gitu. Jadi, and when it lights up, it looks so cool karena lampunya tuh kayak blue/purple gitu. And this is the toilet area. Aesthetic, right? And I love the marbles on the bathroom because it's aesthetic. And then this looks aesthetic too. And then you close this door, and it closed for both sides ya, as you can see. Karena ada banyak hotel yang kayak slide door tapi nggak close on both sides, jadi harus satu-satu, and like it doesn't match sometimes. Kayak gini, kayak ada gapnya ya. Kayaknya ini tidak bisa dihindari sih, emang kayak gitu. And then ini tuh menurutku safe space ya, jadi nggak pakai yang your regular door gitu-gitu karena jadi sempit kelihatan kamarnya. And then this is the wardrobe. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hangers, and then there's the safety lock. You got laundry bag, and then you got 2 slippers. Okay, ini typical lah ya. And then we got, oh, it's kind of hard. Okay, you got Nescafe, and it's warm here. I think it's because of the cool bar mini fridge. You got Nescafe for 2. You got jasmine tea for 2. You got black tea for 2. You got sugar, white sugar. You got creamer, and you got brown sugar. You got this, 2 each, and there's nothing there. And then of course there's like nothing in the mini fridge. I don't know why. I remember when I was little, kalau ke hotel, I always find things in the mini fridge. Tapi kayak sekarang enggak. Kayak dulu tuh misalnya kayak kalau kita ngambil kayak kacang atau kayak cola tuh kayak kena charge gitu kan, nanti dicek. Kalau sekarang tuh udah nggak gitu lagi. Why? I wanna know why. Mungkin kalau ada yang staff hotel gitu-gitu mengetahui sejarah hotel kenapa berubah udah nggak ada isinya lagi. Maybe you can comment down below. And then sorry, this is a little messy. We bought this, so it's not included. I think they partner up with Clio airnya. And then you got 2 bottles. And then you got these 2 cups. You got 2 glasses, and then you got this. I have no idea what this is called. I forget what this thing is called. And then you got also like a spoon to stir your mugs. And then this is the outside of how it looks like. And you got 2 like windows here, and then you got sofa. You got your yoga is not included. You got this bag, and then the menu is you can scan the menu. You got notebook, and then you got pencil, your regular telephone. There's nothing here. And then, as I told you before, a static switch. I love the ambience. What is this? Ambience of the room. Kayak yellow gitu. And then you got this mini desk. You got the lamp. You got the TV. You can watch YouTube there. Things like that. And then you got another. Oh, this is a balcony. Actually, there's a balcony. You can smoke there. You got a sofa there. And then this is the outside leading to Italian restaurant, I believe. You got the balcony, and then you got another bedside table. Aesthetic switch, love those. And then what I like about the room, automatic close and open windows. So close it back up. And then that's it for my first room tour. I know it's kind of bad, but we will improve it. So bye.